Hello students, good morning. Hope you are fine. Let's do the last chapter of a half yearly portion is chapter 21, World Celebrations. By hearing the name celebration, you know there is going to be too much of enjoyment. You're going to remember something and celebrate it. So we will take our book on page number 110. World Celebrations. Nowadays, celebrations are celebrated by the people throughout the country. Now we know we national days are celebrated. No? You have Independence Day, Republic Day. You celebrate it throughout the country. We celebrate. Some things are there which we celebrate at home only, like birthday. You celebrate with your family, maybe religious festivals, na religious festivals are celebrated by a religious community. Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid, that is celebrated by a religious community. Birthday, wedding, okay, anniversary, all that is celebrated by the family members. And then some festivals are there, some celebrations are there which is celebrated by the full nation, that is your national celebrations. But some celebrations are there which is celebrated by the whole world, सारी दुनिया मनाती है ना, that is international day or world celebration. Clear? So celebration is something which you are going to remember and celebrate and enjoy. And we have national celebration where all country participates and celebrates, like you have 15th August, 22nd January, 2nd October. Religious festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid is celebrated by a religious community, whereas we also all people celebrate here in India. Weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, these are celebrated in family. But some celebrations are celebrated all over the world. They are called as world celebrations. So the first world celebration is your World Health Day. The whole world celebrates World Health Day on April 7th. 7th April is the day when the whole world celebrates World Health Day. And this World Health Day is celebrated or comes under the sponsorship of WHO, World Health Organization. This name you must have heard many times nowadays, na, because of COVID-19. WHO has given so many guidelines how to protect yourself from the COVID-19 and so many. You must have heard many times this name. WHO, World Health Organization, is looking after the whole world health issues. So they have the World Health Organization, each year and every year the organization selects some key points which should be looked after by one by the whole world, from every country. Okay, like you have global health issues. So into these are the most urgent health challenges to tackle in 2020, that WHO has told, and whole world know the most important problem that we need to tackle in 2020 related to health is COVID-19. Other than that, we have elevating health in climate debate. We have to bring our health level little up. We have to have good health. Delivering health in conflict and crisis, providing good health facilities, making health care fairer, provide more health care facilities, expanding access to medicine, all should get proper medicines, stopping infectious disease, जो भी disease infection से फैलती हैं, to stop that. Okay, preparing for epidemics, like we have the epidemic of pandemic of COVID-19, protecting people from dangerous products like drugs and all, investing in people who defend our health. We have to put more money for the people or do something good for the people or invest more money like in the hospitals and doctors. keeping adolescents safe. Adolescents, people who are growing, like you grow ना, when जब बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, तो keeping them safe and earning public trust. These are some health issues that WHO looks after, that I gave you just for example. So WHO is also having a responsibility to take care of the whole world health issues and take out those health issues and deal with it. Okay, like we have today 2000 in 2020 COVID-19 problem. Each country must invest in health and increase the capability to prevent threats by strengthening public health system. So each country has to look after good doctors, good nurses, good hospital services are required so that people remain healthy. Okay, next we have Earth Day. You know, Earth Day is when celebrated? It is celebrated on 22nd April. Now this day is also celebrated so that people at least once in a year become aware about the earth, the planet Earth. Now we all human beings live on the planet Earth, and our planet Earth is sending us so much of signal that it is being harmed. पृथ्वी हमें बहुत संकेत दे रही है कि वो बहुत परेशान हो चुकी है. लॉट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन, lot of dangerous things are happening on the earth. Animals are being killed, plants are being cut, lot of chemicals and gases are coming out, and so many things. So say earth is giving us signals, love signals like natural calamities, climate change. These are the signals. वो हमें संकेत दे रही है. कभी floods हैं, कभी बारिश नहीं हो रही है, too much of hot. That are sanket or signals by the earth that it is getting damaged. Okay, to protect the earth from this harmful effect, we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April, and on that day we make people aware of that we need to take care of the earth by planting more trees. So many things you can do that. In previous chapter I told you also na, when you were learning about reduce, reuse and recycle, na, steps to take protect the environment. So these are the steps. Conservation for the planet earth, how you can protect your earth. So on 22nd April you can remember these things, tell others also about these things. Like instead of bike you can drive, go to the bicycle, educate people about plants, protecting the earth. Volunteers come up in community and can get involved in protecting your watershed. Okay, and reduce, recycle, I told you, save the water, choose sustainable seafood, shop wisely, do not use much of polythenes and much cloth which is not needed. Long lasting light bulbs or solar energy, don't send chemicals to mix up into the water, plant more trees. So many other ways are there through which you can protect the earth. So on 22nd April, you remember, celebrate this day, make yourself also aware, others also aware. People plant trees on these days, and these are the things also we can do to protect our earth. Okay, so these are the two world celebrations that we are remembering today and learning today. One is your World Health Day, is when 7th April, and Earth Day is on 22nd April. These 2 days we celebrate. Alright, so read this and learn once again. We will continue with the other celebrations tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.